Ever landed on a website that just felt off? Let's make sure that's never your site. Hey, this is Nick Patel, founder of Nine Gravity. I have seen many of the businesses struggle after launching poorly websites. That's why I am here to share not just what can go wrong, but how to get it right from the start. First, outdated design. Why it hurts your image? Imagine walk into a store that hasn't changed its display since 90s. Feel weird, right? That's the same vibe an outdated website design gives off. It makes visitors think your business isn't keeping up. Keep it fresh. Regular updates to your website design can keep you in line with the modern trends, can make a world of difference. For instance, one of our clients revamped their layout and saw 20% increase in engagement overnight. Second, ignoring mobile users. The mobile first approach. Nowadays, most people browse on their phones and on computers. If your site doesn't look good on small screens, you are missing out. A responsive design can ensure everyone has a great experience, no matter the device. A real-life consequence. A client once overlooked this and ended up with a mobile bounce rate over 70%. After optimizing for a mobile, that number dropped by more than half. Third, slow loading speeds. The need for speed. Speed is everything. Visitors expect your site to load under 2 seconds. Anything more, then they can just leave. It is crucial to optimize everything from images to script loading times. For example, after we reduced the image size and streamlined the code on client sides, their loading time improved from 5 seconds to just 1.5 seconds, massively reducing their bounce rate. Fourth, complicated navigation. Simplicity is the key. Your site should guide visitors smoothly from one page to another, like a good tour guide. If they can't find what they need, they will simply leave. We once helped a client to reorganize their site's menu, and the feedback was phenomenal. User found it much easier to navigate, which significantly boosted their sales. Fifth, broken links. Keeping things connected. Broken links are frustrating for the users and bad for SEO. It's like showing a road that leads to nowhere. Setting up monthly audits to check and fix broken links can save your reputation and keep your SEO in good standing. 6. Subpar content. Content is a key nowadays. At end of the day, your content is what keeps people on your site. It needs to be engaging, informative, and free of errors. Poor content can turn people away as quickly as they came. Once we overhauled the client's content strategy, focusing on quality and relevance, their dwell time, which is how long people stay on the site, increased by 50%, and they saw significant boost in conversions. Do you want to ensure that your website stand out for all the right reasons? Grab a free copy of a comprehensive guide to best practices in website development using a link below. This guide is filled with the detailed instructions and essential tools that will help you to measure and enhance aspects of your website. Don't wait, just transform your site with the best practice today. See you in the next video.